Hey everyone, John Henry here, Slingshot Futures Trading Group. Thanks for joining me in today's video. Before we start, take a second to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to click the notification bell icon so you don't miss our next live stream or next video launch here on YouTube every day. Make sure you start your day off the right way. Don't forget your free morning brief that's waiting for you at ssftg.com/brief. In the top left, you can click on morning brief to jump into that. That's where you'll find all of our major DP levels right up here at the top, as well as a quick technical overview for the major 6 markets that we look at. The NASDAQ, the S&P, you've got gold, crude oil, the euro, as well as Bitcoin. Maybe you're looking to get a full game plan for the day, week, or month. Check out the join button below. Level 1 subs get a brand new members only video every single morning going over the major 6 markets and a game plan for the day. In addition to that, once a week I launch a weekly brief, and of course once a month we have our monthly brief as well. Of course, all members gain access to our private Discord chat server, and if you really want to get into the nitty-gritty, check out the live analysis room for level 2 subs, where you can see my screens in real time during the New York Stock Exchange Open. You can ask questions and interact with the other members, as well as bounce ideas off myself and everyone else. It's a fantastic environment, and I would love to see you in there. All right, and now on to the really fun stuff, the topic for today. Really good follow-through continuation back up. So now that we have proof, now I'm willing to look at 43.75 or so. As far as the risk reward goes, the upside objective is floating right around here, actually. I'm going to lock the stop in and continue trailing. Ran up to a 2-to-1. I've got a little better than a 1-to-1 locked in. 1-to-1 locked in, seeing if I can get a continuation back to the upside, and I'm going to try to trail up. I didn't even have a chance to put a target in, which might be beneficial, so I'm just going to see if I can hang on and let it rip. 2-to-1 locked in. Give me a nice jump, break above this 3-to-1 and get going. I need more than that. All right, 3-to-1 is locked in. Testing 4-to-1. 4-to-1 is locked in. Trying to get a 5-to-1 next. Keep going, NASDAQ. 5-to-1. Break above it. Break above it. It tested the 5-to-1. Woo, 5-to-1 locked in. I don't have anything else to work with. 5-to-1's already been locked in, so I guess I'm just going to trail the moving average at this point. All right, taking out on the stop. Golly. Bam! There we go. Nice jump. All right, nice multiple setup there. It's a rep L1, beautiful follow through. And instead of taking 148 ticks of risk, I was able to narrow it down. See, it's all about the timing. Nice setup. Oh, before I forget. What time was that? 10:03, right after the news. Of course.